Good day everyone. So I'm here to create an array duplicate. So let's start. So as we done of coding, so first let me explain. So first we going to add an import Java util scanner we because the user needs to input some elements or anything. So first is we're going to public class array duplicate, and we're going to have a main methods, public static void main args scan. So mag mag-declare ta og scanner equals new scanner. So then system.out.print, enter the number of elements in array, int n equals scanner next int array equal new int. So system.out.print, enter the elements of array for int I equals 0, I less than in I increment. So array I equal to scanner next int. So find duplicate array scanner close. So in the second method, the public static void find duplicate. So we're going to use for loop. So int I equals 0, I array length I increment. So we're going to use a boolean is duplicate false. So as you can see, if the user finds a duplicate, it continues. So if, as you can see, this if is duplicate can be continued. So in this use boolean found duplicate equals false, system.out.print value plus array I plus at index plus I. For int key equal I plus 1 key array length key plus plus. If array I equal to array key, if found duplicate, system.out.print found duplicate equal true, system.out.print key. If key array length -1, system.out.print. if found duplicate, system.out.print. So for summarization, so um the program iterates through each element and checks it if it has been previously proceed to avoid duplicate printing. If the element has been proceed before, it prints its value at an index. The searches for duplicate occurrence in the remaining part of the array. So for example, we're going to put an an example user input array. So we're going to add an elements of array. So 7, we're going to add 1 2 3 1 2 4 1. So as the result, value 1 at index 0 3 6, and value 2 at index 1 4. So the output will indicate that 1 appear at indicate 0 and 4. Well, um so okay, so this approach ensure that each duplicate is reported only once and avoid necessary redundant checks. The scanner is then closed to prevent resources leaks, making the program efficient and well structured. So so this is the output of the program. So that's all. Thank you.